Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off screen time without passcode. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to your settings application and then you're going to search for screen time option. If you're not able to find that, you can simply click on the search bar and type in screen time. It will have a purple icon. Click on it, and then when you scroll down, you'll be able to see all your limit usages such as downtime, app limits, always allowed, screen distance, communication limits, communication safety, content and privacy restrictions. Now let's say you wish to turn off the app limits, but when you wish to toggle it off, it's going to ask you for passcode. And even if you go back and if you wish to turn off content and privacy restrictions, it's going to ask you for the passcode again. So in order to turn it off, you can go back into your screen time again, scroll down, and you'll be able to see the option of change screen time passcode. But in order to turn off screen time passcode, it's going to ask you for passcode again. What you can do is click on forgot passcode, and then you're going to type in your email or phone number and then type down your password and then click on OK. That will basically help you reset the screen time passcode. And by doing so, you can easily turn off your screen time. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.